Happy Monday, class. Today I wanted to go over our work for our first week of school, our first week of work, not the orientation week. So right now what I have up is your Monday memo, which is one place you'll find this video. So I wanted to go over a couple of the items that I explained in the Monday memo. So again, today we're going to start working on your Module 1, which is an expository essay. Basically, an expository essay is an informational essay. You are giving the reader some information. And in this case, what you're going to write about, your prompt is you need to write about 3 meaningful, favorite, mysterious, interesting, you get my drift, 3 places that are meaningful to you. It's a basic 5-paragraph essay, so it'll be structured with an introduction, a paragraph about each one of your 3 places, and then a conclusion. And so what you need to do is click on over to your Module 1 tab on the side to get started. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll take a quick look. So your Module 1 tab has some explanatory stuff up front. This tells you a little bit about the assignment. You should read through this. Then, if you go a little bit further down, this brown underlined bar is your assignment sheet. You want to click on that assignment sheet, download it, print it if you need to, and use that. It has all your guidelines. It has all the information you need to know about this essay. You have 4 weeks to work on this essay. We are going to work on this from weeks 1 through 4. It'll be due Sunday, September 17th by midnight. So once you read that information, you're going to click here into, I have my, each of my modules divided into weeks. Every week gets its own folder, and each Monday morning at 6 a.m. a new week will open up. So Monday, 8/21, that's where we are. You're going to go ahead and click into your weeks 1 folder. So before you click in, I have everything you need to know about this week written here. What you're going to find when you click into this folder, what you need to do when you click into this folder, and all the due dates I have down here. So I have directions and then due dates. What do you need to do? So let's go ahead and we'll click in. So your video will be right here when I'm done with it. It'll also be at the announcement, the Monday memo. Then there are 3 PowerPoints. You want to go and review these PowerPoints. The first PowerPoint is called Reading Critically. This PowerPoint is going to gives you some information on the importance of reading critically, learning to read to get meaning out of a text. That's what that means. Not criticizing something, but you want to learn to get some more meaning out of that text. Because remember, you've got reading responses to do this semester. That's one of the things that you will do mostly every week, and your first reading response is this week. Second PowerPoint is on the writing process. This just covers basic information, so you want to go through this PowerPoint. And finally, the characteristics of an expository essay. So this PowerPoint is very specific to this essay. What is an expository essay? So you will go through and you will review this PowerPoint. The handout below, you're not turning it in, you're not doing anything with it, except you can use it as sort of, backup extra to go through and understand what you're doing with an expository essay. Some people like handouts, I like handouts. So you have 2 assignments this week. The first one is, and I should flip these for you, because the first assignment is your virtual attendance assignment. So this is your reading response. On Sunday, yesterday, you would have finished reading The Sanctuary of School, the little essay. So what you're going to do is you're going to download this reading response questions. There are a few questions. There are about 7 questions. You're going to then, and I have the Sanctuary of School listed here too, you're going to then go through and answer those questions in writing so that you have them in order to do your video response. This is a video response. Now, if you're uncomfortable putting your face, that's fine. You don't have to. You can do audio only. The option to do audio is there. It's called Flip. So you are going to click into this link, and it's going to take you to joining this topic. So you will then join this topic, and you are essentially doing a little video of yourself responding to the reading, the Sanctuary of School, using the questions that you answered. So what I expect is that you're going to do it in a scholarly way, in the sense that, have fun. It's fun. That's why I'm doing a video. But don't just do like stream of consciousness. Make sure that you've organized your thoughts and that you're responding to all the questions. Then you'll post it, and then you have to go and do a response to 2 of your classmates' videos. So that response is actually going to be typed in a comment section, kind of like if you go to YouTube and there's the option to write comments on the videos. So this is your first. It's a practice reading response. I have it a little more informal, so when I grade it, I'm not grading your written document. I'm grading your video just to see that you've addressed all the questions. So it's a little bit more low stress for you. All right, and so that is your virtual attendance assignment. That's how I'm going to take attendance this week. So this is due Wednesday by midnight, both your video and your comments. So you definitely want to think about getting that video in as soon as you can so that your classmates have time to comment and you have time to comment. So your other graded assignment this week is your point of view handout and worksheet. You're going to read this little handout, and what this handout discusses is using pronouns. First person, which is I, me, we. Second person, you, and third person, he, she, they. So you are going to read it and complete this worksheet, and that's due Sunday. It's very short, very low key. All right, and then finally, I have your next week's reading selection. So again, have it read by Sunday night. So Monday, you're ready to go with whatever reading response I ask you to do for that. All right, so let me go back to module, the front page. All right, so again, week 1, I have everything listed out here for you. Here's your assignment sheet. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me an email and set up a meeting with me, or just drop by my office. However you want to get in touch with me. Anything you need clarification. All right. Happy Monday.